Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today we have a beautiful 7-week post-operative result from a mommy makeover. Let's check it out and see how we're doing here. We took out her old saline implants that were done maybe 17 years ago, and she didn't know, but it actually turned out that the left side was ruptured, and so it was a good thing we were in there to get rid of it. It's not that it would create some big health problems, but certainly we want only intact implants in there. And we replaced them with the latest generation cohesive gummy bear implants from Sientra. If you're interested in mommy makeover surgery, whether it be breast surgery, tummy tucks, or 360-degree liposuction, you've got to check out my website, drstoker.com. We've got over 10,000 beautiful before and after pictures on there for you to review. Also check us out in our social media. We're active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In fact, this patient was telling me that she wakes up every morning to our Instagram videos. Send us your contact information with your email and your cell phone, or simply email us directly at info@drstoker.com. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.